Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who likes to be prepared, a good multi-tool is an invaluable companion. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Fret no more, intrepid explorers. We've compiled a list of the top 5 EDC multi-tools to help you find your perfect pocket powerhouse. Let's get started. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Gerber Dual Force punches above its weight in the EDC multi-tool category. Its unique adjustable jaw tackles a variety of tasks. It functions in 2 positions, narrow for small fasteners and wide for larger objects, and locks securely for maximum control. Oversized teeth bite down firmly on nuts, bolts, and other objects, and all locking blades and tools ensure safety during use. The Dual Force isn't just about pliers. It packs a total of 12 tools for everyday tasks, including both blunt nose pliers for gripping and manipulating objects, dedicated sections for handling small and large fasteners, a built-in wire cutter and stripper for clean and efficient wire management, and a center axis bit driver for easy access and increased torque when using replaceable bits. It boasts layered construction, resulting in 2x the durability and 3x the strength of competing multi-tools. Keep your Dual Force protected and readily available with the included sheath. The Gerber Dual Force is a solid option for those seeking a heavy-duty multi-tool at a reasonable price. The Leatherman Skeletool lives up to its name. It's a skeleton crew of essential tools built for maximum portability. Weighing in at a feathery 5 ounces, the Skeletool practically disappears in your pocket. Its slim profile and removable pocket clip make it a comfortable, no-nonsense EDC companion. The Skeletool packs a surprising amount of functionality into its minimalist design. It features a 420HC combo knife with both straight and serrated edges for various cutting tasks. Needle nose and regular pliers provide gripping, clamping, and bending capabilities, while hard wire cutters and wire cutters handle different wire gauges. A large bit driver completes the package, compatible with standard Leatherman bit sets for expanded functionality. Clip the Skeletool to your backpack or belt loop and use the integrated carabiner to double as a bottle opener. The Leatherman Skeletool is ideal for those who prioritize size and weight without sacrificing core functionality. The SOG Power Access strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it a great choice for EDC and backcountry use. It boasts C's innovative compound leverage technology. This mechanism utilizes multiple pivot points to amplify your hand strength, delivering roughly twice the cutting power of a standard multi-tool. This translates to easier cutting of wires, tougher materials, and effortless gripping with the pliers. Unlike some multi-tools that require 2 hands to open and use, the Power Access prioritizes convenience. All its tools are accessible from the outside while the multi-tool is closed, and they lock securely open for safe use. This allows for quick, one-handed deployment, ideal for situations where every second counts. The Power Access packs a comprehensive 18-tool arsenal for various tasks. The Power Access utilizes high-quality, all-around stainless steel with properties comparable to the best 440 series metals. This ensures durability and corrosion resistance for long-lasting performance. Plus, SOG backs the Power Access with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. The Leatherman Arc isn't just another contender in the EDC multi-tool arena. It's a culmination of premium materials, innovative features, and thoughtful design. The Arc boasts a first for multi-tools, a Magna-Cut steel blade. This revolutionary steel offers unmatched edge retention, meaning your blade stays sharper for longer, even with heavy use. The Arc goes beyond a basic knife and pliers combo, offering a comprehensive 20-tool set. This includes needle nose and regular pliers for gripping, clamping, and manipulating objects of various sizes, large and small bit drivers for compatibility with a wide range of standard bits, a bottle opener for those well-deserved refreshments, and a large screwdriver for tackling common fastening jobs. Leatherman's free technology takes center stage in the Arc. This ingenious system utilizes magnets to replace traditional springs, allowing for smooth, one-handed opening and closing of all its features. Arc is a premium multi-tool designed for users who prioritize quality, innovation, and ease of use. The Leatherman Free T4 lives by the motto, maximum utility, minimum space. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little guy packs a punch when it comes to everyday problem solving. The T4 is a testament to the fact that good things come in small packages. Weighing in at a mere 4.3 ounces and measuring just 3.6 inches closed, it comfortably disappears in your pocket without feeling bulky. This makes it ideal for everyday carry, whether you're at the office, tackling chores around the house, or out and about on adventures. The T4 packs 12 tools for daily tasks. The blade cuts, scissors snip, pry tool opens, bottle opener pops tops, and screwdriver tightens. A versatile set for everyday situations. Leatherman's free technology shines in the T4. This innovative system replaces traditional springs with magnets, allowing for smooth, one-handed opening and closing of all its features. No more fumbling with fingernails. A simple push with your thumb is all it takes to access any tool. The T4 isn't just about convenience, it's built to endure. And there you have it, our top 5 EDC multi-tools. Whether you're looking for something lightweight and compact, or a tool that's built to handle tougher tasks, there's something on this list for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and EDC tips.